I'm going to explain the difference between the professional indemnity policy and the legal expenses policy, because despite legal expenses being included in the professional indemnity policy in terms of the costs incurred when defending a claim, somebody thought it would be a really good idea to create another product called legal expenses because insurance isn't complicated enough. The professional indemnity policy is incredibly meaty. We would be here all day if I went into the ins and outs of it. Instead, I like to simplify it by thinking of it as insurance for mistakes you make in your work, or most commonly, problem clients. The professional indemnity policy will spring into action if a client either threatens legal action against you or tries to recover compensation or damages from you. For example, let's say that you've missed a deadline and the client has to hire other freelancers to bring the project back up to speed, and they try to recover the cost of those freelancers from you because you caused the project to be delayed. We've seen this happen before. That compensation that they're trying to recover from you could be covered under your professional indemnity policy. The legal expenses product, on the other hand, can provide some assistance prior to the situation reaching that stage. For example, let's say there's a client or contract dispute. It hasn't yet escalated to anything that would trigger the professional indemnity policy, but you do want to get some advice around how to handle it. The legal expenses product includes a legal advice helpline that you can use as often as you like. You can call it, speak to a legal advisor, ask some general legal questions, and that will better prepare you to handle any conflicts with you and your client. Or there's an array of legal templates included in the dashboard that can assist you with situations such as late payments. Again, there's a lot more to both of these products. We could go a lot deeper, but we certainly find that having both professional indemnity insurance and legal expenses insurance can equip you to deal with most tricky legal situations. If something hasn't escalated to the stage that you would use your professional indemnity policy, you can use your legal expenses policy to chat to a legal expert.